Pauako Whakairo Te Kuiti Stewart may have ancestral ties to Rongo Whakata and Ngai Tūhoi, but he's been busy carving a reputation for himself in Kawhia that has endeared him to the West Coast community. Te Kuiti teaches the Whakairo bachelor's degree, titled Te Maunga Kura Toi at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, and displayed his Whakairo skills at the Kawhia Kai Festival.
My passion for Kawhia started in 2012. I was asked by one of the senior tutors at Te Wānanga Aotearoa if I wanted to be a part of a community project. So we did the carvings for the bollards around the reserve here. Since then I was invited back by the community board to see if I wanted to go into the next part of the project, which was to carve a pou maumahara for Kawhia.
Well, Te Kuiti has been involved with our pou that surrounds our festival activities. He's the man that's been involved in carving those. Very important. He's actually carving a 7-metre pou for the future of this, and that's to stand in the centre.
After trying his hand as a bookbinder in his teenage years, Te Kuiti went on to become an arts tutor and then followed his passion of whakairo, carving 4 houses in Maniapoto, Te Arawa and Mātātua. In 2002, he enrolled on the first whakairo bachelor's degree, tutored by Dr. Paki Harrison at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, and last year completed the inaugural Masters of Applied Indigenous Knowledge.
Absolutely brilliant, because it made us feel at ease with our own Indigenous studies. It was our practice that became important, more so than the theory of it.
With almost 30 years of carving history at the Wānanga, Te Kuiti believes the second largest tertiary provider is well placed to offer both a bachelor's and master's degree for carvers seeking to secure formal qualifications.
I think in terms of where the Wānanga is going with whakairo, there's a marriage of research with the practice.
Kawhia Kai Festival organisers want the festival recognised worldwide, but feel it's important to ensure that the local community is focused upon first.
Well, it's important to bring families, and this is what this is all about, bring families together, our whānau, our maraes, our Waikato, Maniapoto people from the surrounding areas here to have a good family day and enjoy kai.
Plans for the Kawhia Kai Festival 2016 are already underway. Te Anga Nathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.